Tá de bagulho, tem que ser assim. Tá de bagulho, tá de bagulho, tá de bagulho, tá de bagulho.
Hi guys, welcome back. It is S550 Sniper here again. So long story short, I went and got a helmet today. I was gonna wait until Saturday, but I ended up just going today after work because I was like, if I wait any longer, I probably won't. And then after that, I ended up going to Charlotte Overlook, the airport. It did get built, but it's not new. All right, it's not like anything. So this is my old helmet. Obviously, it has a few scratches and stuff like that. Obviously, like on that part, and it was also broken. So if you can tell here, it wasn't clipped on. That's because I took it to go get fixed one day. Hold on, I'm working with one hand and a phone, please. So I took it to go get fixed one day because it was missing the spring in here. And I took it to Cycle Gear to go get fixed. And long story short, I think it's this side. Oop, accidentally took a screenshot. Anyways, long story short, I think they messed up the spot that clips it, keeps it clipped on there. Is it this side? Yeah, so it's like chipped. Let it focus. Focus. Alright, it won't focus. Right there. So it's tipped right there. So it's not keeping the visor in place. So yeah. Plus this helmet was kind of like too big for me. It was extra large. And this is basically the same one. So I thought about getting like a different color, but I was like, meh, I really like this helmet. I was going to get the Built Techno 3.0, I think. Reviews, and everybody was like, oh, like, it's terrible. Like, the audio is ass, blah, blah. Like, the Bluetooth doesn't work. You connect it, and it only works one time, and then you have to go and get it fixed, and then it just keeps doing that, and blah, blah. And I saw someone say, oh, the Techno 2.0 is even better. And I was like, oh, I can get the 2.0. And then when I looked, none. There is like no existence of it. Whatever. Consider getting like a different helmet, but long story short, I didn't. So I'm gonna pull it out the box and sit it next to each other. Oh, and I did I did test out my helmet, and you guys may or may not get a clip of that. But let me go ahead and pull it out the box and sit it next to this one in. So it's literally the exact same one. You can tell that obviously this is clean. This is the worn out one from all the bug splatter and everything like that. But it's the exact same one. Just brand new. And yeah, I did obviously take off the stickers and everything like that. But I'm gonna switch this visor over to the new one. And it's crazy because I actually already have a clear visor for it. But, you know, just in case. I got sidetracked. But this was like my very first helmet. It had like columns on there, but I have no idea what happened to it. I think I took it off when I painted it. I found one piece of it, but I don't know where the rest is. But that's that. New helmet, obviously, and then my second helmet, which I am going to put the new visor on, which I didn't do, but let me do that real quick. Okay, so I replaced the visors. I put the clear one on here, the old helmet, which I still might use that, but I might use it for like, I don't know. So, got a new helmet. The new one, obviously. Oh, see, this is why I also need a new one, because if I lift it up, it pops out. Like, it just pops out, and then pull it down, and then I would have to like hit on it just for it to lock in. But that's that. The new one. Nice. I really like, part of me feels like I should have got like a black instead of another matte black. But the matte black looks so freaking clean. Like, bro, what? I did test it out, and hopefully I can get the video on that and put it up here for you guys. And then last but not least, I wanted to match it with the color of my car, and I really like the color gray as well. And well, yeah, so it got painted gray. All right, so I'm about to go to lunch. My video cut short yesterday while I was like recording my new helmet and everything like that. So look at my friend's car. You can't tell me that shit not clean. Ooh, I love being in a Mustang group. But anyway, I'm about to go to lunch. It's like 12:45 right now. My little piece of shit bike. Let's see what time it is. Yep, 12:44. About to go to lunch. So let me get this on and yeah. Okay, so I got the new helmet on and everything like that. I'm probably gonna go to Chipotle because I've been craving it. So yeah. It acts so stiff when I turn, like, oh, it's gonna still have it pushed down, so. Look, why is it acting like this? There we go. All right, let's go. I just got back to the shop. I'm about to eat lunch. I ended up getting Chipotle because why not? Yeah, it was a nice ride. I have a lot of stuff to work on this bike, which is why I don't want to sell it, because even if I do try to sell it in this condition, I doubt anybody would want to buy it. I gotta do some maintenance on it. I gotta do the oil change. I already did the brakes. Yeah, oil change, and I think it'll be good. I'm contemplating getting fairings to put on these. I was gonna go black or gray instead of keeping the white, but you guys can comment down below and tell me what color I should put on here. Other than that, see you guys later.